Welcome to math class. Today we are going to talk about the implicit differentiation together with Mr. Alikawai. Implicit differentiation is a way to find the derivative of a function when y is not isolated on one side of the equation. Instead of rewriting the equation to get y by itself, we treat y as a function of x and take the derivative of both sides of the equation with respect to x. Implicit function properties. Y is equal to f of x cannot be used to express the implicit. The implicit function is always represented as a variable combination as an f of x and y is equal to 0. Steps on how to solve implicit differentiation. First, differentiate both sides of the equation with respect to x, or whatever variable you are differentiating with respect to. Second, apply the rules of differentiation as necessary. Anytime an expression involving y is differentiated, dy over dx will be a factor in the result. Third, isolate all terms with dy over dx as a factor on one side of the equation. Fourth, factor out dy over dx. Fifth, divide on both sides of the equation to isolate dy over dx. Let's differentiate. We have here some samples that is going to be taught by Mr. Alikawai.
So, x cubed plus 4xy plus y squared equals 13. So, for this problem, let's use product rule. So, this is the formula of product rule. UDB plus BDU. So now, the first part is the derivative of x cubed is equal to 3x squared plus the derivative of 4x is equal to 4. And then, the let us bring down y. So plus the derivative of y is equal to 1, and let us bring down 4x. So 1 times dy over dx plus the derivative of y squared is equals to 2y. dy over dx equals to 0. 0 because 13 is a constant. So now, any term that has no dy over dx, we need it to transfer to another side. So now, we have dy over dx 4x plus 2y equals negative 3x squared minus 4y. Any term that transfer to another side change to positive to negative. So now, to find dy over dx, we need to divide both sides. 4x plus 2y, 4x plus 2y. So now, we have dy over dx equals negative 3x squared minus 4y over 4x plus 2y. So now, So now we have to evaluate at the point 1 and 2. So y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1. So now we have negative 3 times 1 squared. We turn it to 1 because it is y. It is x minus 4 times 2 because 2 is y over 4 times 1 plus 2 times 2 equals negative 3 minus negative 3 negative 8 over 4 plus 4 3 3 3 negative 3 times 1 equals negative 3 nya. Negative 4 times 2 equals negative 8. 4 times 1 equals 4. 2 times 2 equals 4. So now we have the final answer. dy over dx equals negative 11 over 8. So this is our final answer of x cubed plus 4xy plus y squared equals 13. So now let's differentiate both sides of 5 minus x squared equals sine xy squared. So now the derivative of 5 is equal to 0. 0 because 5 is a constant. And then the derivative of negative x squared is equal to negative 2x equals the derivative of sine is equal to cosine xy squared times. Now let's use product rule. So the derivative of x is equal to 1 times times y squared plus x times the derivative of y squared is equal to 2y. So 2y times dy over dx. So 2y times dy over dx. We need to isolate dy over dx. So now I'm gonna distribute it. So negative 2x equals y squared cos xy squared plus 2xy cos xy squared dy over dx. So now let's move this term to this side, this side. So now we have negative 2x minus y squared cos xy squared equals 2xy cos xy squared dy over dx. So the last part, we need to divide both sides. So 2xy cos xy squared, then 2xy cos xy squared. So now we have the final answer. The final answer is dy over dx equals negative 2x minus y squared cos xy squared over 2xy cos xy squared. So this is the final answer. So now we have 4x squared plus 6y cubed equals 50. So the derivative of 4x squared is equal to 8x plus the derivative of 6y cubed is equal to 18y squared times dy over dx equals 0. 0 because 50 is a constant. So now, any term that has no dy over dx, we need it to transfer to another side. So now we have 18y squared dy over dx equals negative x 8x. It turn into negative 8x because any term that transfer to another side change to positive to negative. So now we have to divide both sides. So 18y squared 18y squared is negative. So we have dy over dx equals negative 8x divide 2 and 18y squared divide 2. So we have negative 8x divide 2 is equal to negative 4x. So 18y squared divide 2 is equal to 9y squared. So now we have the final answer of this problem. So 5xy minus y cubed equals to 8. So let's use product rule. The formula of product rule is dy over dx ub equal to udb plus bdu dx. So this is the formula of product rule. So now the derivative of 5x is equal to 5 and the second part is y plus 5x, and the y we need to differentiate it. So y is equal to 1 times dy over dx minus the derivative of y cube is equal to 3y square. Dy over dx equal 0. So any term that has no dy over dx, we need it to transfer to another side. So now we have 5x dy over dx minus 3y squared dy over dx equals negative 5y. It turned into negative 5y because any term that transfer to another side change to positive to negative. So now we have to factor GCF. We're not really a GCF, but it's just dy over dx. So dy over dx 5x minus 3y squared equals negative 5y. So let's divide both sides. So 5x minus 3y squared 5x minus 3y squared is equal to dy over dx equals negative 5y over 5x minus 3y squared. So this is the answer of this problem. Now 5x to the power of 4 minus 4y squared is equal to 51. So now the derivative of 5x to the power of 4 is 20x. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So 20x cubed minus 4, the derivative of 4y square is equal to 8y. 8y times dy over dx is equal to 0. 0 because 51 is a constant. So now, any term that has no dy over dx, we need it to transfer to another side. So now we have negative 8y dy over dx equal to negative 20x cubed. It turned into negative 20x cubed because any terms that transfer to another side change to positive to negative. So now we have to divide both sides. Negative 8y, negative 8y. So now we have dy over dx equal to, let's cancel it. Cancel. So negative divided negative is equal to positive. So now 20 and 8 we have divisible by divide 4. So 20 divide 4 is equal to 5x cubed. 8 divide 4 is equal to 2y. So now we have our answer for this problem. So now x squared plus 2xy plus y squared equals 11. So the derivative of x squared is equals to 2x plus, now let's use product rule for this x and y, 2x and y. So the formula of product rule is d over dx equals d over dx ub equals udb plus bdu. So now the derivative of 2x is equals to 2 times y plus 2x, and let's differentiate y. So y is equal to 1 times dy over dx plus the derivative of y squared is equals to 2y times dy over dx equals 0. 0 because 11 is a constant. So now, any terms that has no dy over dx, let's transfer it to another side. So let's transfer it. So now we have 2x dy over dx plus 2y dy over dx equals negative 2x minus 2y. So any terms that transfer to another side change to positive to negative. So now let's cancel the 2, another one, also this one. So let's factor dy over dx. dy over dx is x plus y equals negative 1 x plus y. So now let's divide both sides. So let's divide x plus y. So x plus y. So as you can see, it is same, x plus y. So let's cancel x plus y and also this. So the only remaining is negative 1. So the answer is dy over dx is equal to negative 1. So this is the final answer of this problem. X squared plus 2xy plus y squared equals 11.